get it all you got is followers, time to let it go. Doesn't really matter if you wanna control. Head is spinning faster and I try to make it stall. Climbing up the ladder but I gotta let it fall. Picking up the pace, you know we gotta let it grow. It's slow. I know it hurts in my direction. The memories that I'd erase. And if you got the chance, don't turn away. If you're ready to go, I'm ready to stay. And if you hurt the way I do today, you're ready to go, I'm ready to stay. What if I told you it's okay to say